and Tinambak.
Yeah.
On the way to
Angelica Beach.
and it's quite a nice little place. This we've stopped to change some wheels, believe it or not. That's our jeepney over there to the left. Because it's the last jeepney, they've took the seats out and they're packing it with rice and pig feed and all different things, and we're going to be riding on top of it because there's going to be nowhere to sit. So that should be an experience in itself. We've just been for something to eat, and I've had a taste of some stingray. It was interesting. It's not something I'd run to eat again, but it was still okay. But when we get to where we're going, I'm going to have some seafood and we're going to have a barbecue on the beach because I've been told the beach is beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to that. We're going to stay about 2 days, and then we'll be on my way back to Naga. So I'm going to make the most of while I'm here and take in everything. So from Naga to where we're going is 150 pesos. I think that's really brilliant because it's like just over 2 hours, I think. So it's not bad. Right, I've had to switch the camera on again because I found this cool place at the end of the road, which as you look round, I think's cool anyway. Got something like a jeepney station here. I just love this place. And look at this. This is at the end. I mean, my God, it's brilliant. It's about 20 to 3 in the afternoon here. The beach we may be heading to, depending on how late it gets, obviously. It's really beautiful, I've heard. So that's going to be quite cool. But look at that. This is the kind of thing I was expecting to see when I come here. Now, I'm not saying it's the best place in the Philippines. Hello!
What is your name?
Chris! Chris! Bless him.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too! So look at that, how friendly they are. It's brilliant, it's brilliant. But as you can see, the skies are pretty overcast. But again, like I keep saying, it's really warm, really warm. So I'm looking forward to riding the jeepney on the roof. Not. So I hope you like this little bit extra I thought I'd show you. But I just think it's all amazing. So bye for now again, and see you soon.